Al-Amin College of Pharmacy is one of the pioneer private self-funding pharmacy colleges situated in the heart of Bangalore, Karnataka, with UG and PG courses and is a PhD research center. The college is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore, and recognized by AICTE and PCI. The Institution Innovation Council of Al-Amin College of Pharmacy was constituted during February 2022. ISC Al-Amin College of Pharmacy was selected by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, MIC, Government of India for organizing impact lecture sessions.
The Impact Lecture Session 2 was organized on 13th July 2022 on the theme R&D and Innovation. 2 lectures were organized. The first speaker was Dr. Ksheer Sagar, Chief Operating Officer, Microlabs Bangalore. He spoke on the topic Navigating R&D to Innovations. The speaker explained the drug development pathways and product development from different active ingredients. He also highlighted the various opportunities available for academician for innovation. The second speaker, Dr. Hrishikesh Tamble, MD and CEO, Atrimed Pharmaceuticals, Bangalore, spoke on innovations in phytoresearch. The speaker emphasized the importance of traditional medicine. He spoke about the systematic process of discovering new drug molecules from secondary metabolites. He enlightened the audience about various innovations in phytoresearch.
More than 300 participants, including students, teachers, startup enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and industry professionals, registered and attended the live session on Zoom and YouTube. The Impact Lectures received a huge response and positive feedback from the participants. Key outcome of this session was the importance and need of innovations in research. We from IIC, Al-Amin College of Pharmacy, thank the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, Government of India, AICTE for the sponsorship for the Impact series. We are grateful for the encouragement given. Thank you.